In this section, we will discuss about access modifiers in Java. The access modifiers in Java, there are two types of access modifiers, the access modifiers and non-access modifiers. The access modifiers in Java specifies the accessibility or scope of a field, method, constructor, or a class. We can change the access level of field, constructor, method, and class by applying the access modifier in it. So there are four types are there: private, default, protected, and public. Then the access level of a private modifier is only within a class. It cannot be accessed from outside the class. So it's private. So we can use only within the class. Default means the access level of a default modifier is only within the package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. If you do not specify any access level, it will be default. Next one is protected. The access level of a protected modifier is within the package and outside the package through child class. If you do not make the child class, it cannot be accessed from outside the package. What do you mean by protected? Means the access level of the protected modifier is within the package and outside of the package through child class. If you do not make the child class, it cannot be accessed from outside of the package. So next one is public. The access level of a public modifier is everywhere. It can be accessed from within the class, outside the package, within the package, outside the package, and also. So these are the access modifier. So when I explain with an example, you will know about this one. There are many non-access modifiers such as static, abstract, synchronized, native, volatile, transient, etc. Here we are going to learn the access modifier only. The next one, access. So with this table, we will know about that where we can use that one. So if you are creating an access modifier private within the class, we can access. Within the package, no. Outside the package, no. Outside the class, no. Default means within this class we can use, within the package we can use, outside the package we cannot use, and outside package by class only. Protected means we can use within the class, within the package, outside package by subclass, and outside package. No. Public, within the class, within the package, we can use that methods or variables, and outside the package also we can use. Everywhere we can use with the help of public. Next, first one is access mark. It's a private. So here in the class A, the data is private. The next, the method is also private. The public class symbol, public static void main. So here we are creating an object for the class A. Okay, class A. So system.out.println object.data, we cannot call that object because that is private. So this is the example. Here it is private. So we can use within that A class only. We can't use outside the A class. This is the simple example. Next one is role of private constructor. So what do you mean by constructor? A method with having a same name of class is known as constructor. So it's a private constructor. Here also one method is there. See, public class simple. With here we are creating an object. A object is equal to new A. For the constructor also, it's a private. We can't use the error will occur. Access modifier in Java. Next one is default. If you don't use any modifier, then it is default not only. So package pack and the class A void message hello, and package my pack next package and import pack. Here we are importing this one and we can use. A is equal to new object, new A. We are creating one object here. So in the above example, the scope of a class A and the method is default. So it cannot be accessed from outside the package. We cannot access from outside the package. So this is one package, this is another package. We cannot access this A. Protected means it's accessible within the package and outside the package, but through inheritance only. The pack is there, public class, protected, public. The class is public, protected void, message. Here, package my pack here, implementing this package here, and important one package here, and class, sorry, implementing some important the package here in this my pack. The package is implemented in my pack. Those so class B is extended class A. Here is extended class from the pack. Then we are creating an object and an object dot message. Message where is it is message is here. So we can use like this. Public. Here it is a public class. Here it is a this package it is in public class. This we can use simply we can use public. So what we discussed in the here we discussed about the access modifiers.